الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. نظر الله امرأ سمع منا حديثا فحفظه حتى يبلغه. Praise be to Allah, who is one in His majesty and in the perfection of His attributes, and peace be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, who are supported by his clear proofs and open evidences, and upon his family and his companions, who are the guides of his right path and its protectors. Dear audience, today I want to explain current burning issue. It is why ulama need to learn English. I hope you will hear me carefully. Dear friends, if you put your eyes on this world, you will find a large group of people who are away from current secular education, but they have a plenty of education in religious field. This is ulama group. Today my question is to all of you. Do ulama need to learn English? And its right answer is yes, because this group face many challenges in different moments without English language. And it is reality that English language is most used in the world now. And you know that our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam ordered to Hazrat Zaid bin Thabit for learning Jewish language. Friends, if you stay in any other country and you have not any experience in local language, definitely you need English language. If you sit with any government officer or at any government office, you face many challenges without English. Imagine that you are standing at any historical place in our country, India, and any guide is guiding any foreigner and showing the wrong facts of this place, which are against Islam and Muslims, and you know its reality. Then it is your responsibility to stop him and show the foreigners about reality. This is a challenge which is faced by a madrasa student at Taj Mahal and many other historical places. And you know that only pure English language is used for this guide business. So here the group of ulama need to learn English with full focus for handling many responsibilities. And my dear brothers, we get a lot of Islamic religious education to not only limit to ourselves but to spread it in all over the world with other relatives and other religion people. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said for a Muslim who spread a hadith, نظر الله امرأ سمع منا حديثا فحفظه حتى يبلغه. Allah bless a man who heard a hadith from us and preserved it until he conveyed it. And it is undeniable reality that English language is used today in any country of the world. If you have no any experience in local language of that country, you can easily get any translator from English language into local language. So here also English language is most useful for us. Dear Islamic students, we have to debate with any Christian and Jews in different religious issues many times. At that time we need to use English language. Only so friends, we have many fields to use English language. And English is very useful for us to face our challenge. Here I am finishing my speech. Thank you for paying it to my words. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.